करने के लिए बेबी जी हो गई तैयार, कहती सैटरडे सैटरडे, it's not Saturday yet. Oops, it's on. Okay, hi guys, it's all about baby G Alia Bhatt nowadays. She has won us over not only with the hashtag dumb memes breaking the internet, but also with her quirky meets high fashion wardrobe. Choti umar, style bada. So guys, come on, let's go and check out Alia Bhatt and her style. Finally, someone goes funky on the set of Jhalak Dikhla Ja. Mostly actresses here wear traditional or the normal bling dress, but hey, enough of that blinding bling. Our friend Alia has chosen to offer this quirky pastel ASOS mini with a comic book feel along with simple and stylish ankle straps. Alia, for this starship dress of yours, I give you full marks. Sporting a sporty look or even a denim fabric at the Miss Vogue cover launch is something many would not even consider. But when it comes to Alia, she exactly knows how to carry a sporty look even to a classy event. With hot asymmetrical cuts in your romper and shoes, this Sport Luxe bohemian melange ensures that you look like a cover girl. This denim on denim look is one of my favorites. She wore Zara from top to bottom at the trailer launch of the film Wedding Pulao, and on my box office, she scored more hits than most of the films. Gulabo, Zara itne gira do. Well, अगर मैं ऐसे गाऊंगी तो वहां से पक्का error 508 reply आएगा. But somehow Alia, you always manage to carry this sporty look with that oomph factor. Your idea to roll up your ilk dungarees from the bottom is totally shandar. Here at the launch of the song Sham Shandar, Alia is wearing our love. Yes, she is wearing a crisp doodle dress with signs and messages sent by fans printed on it. और एक सीक्रेट बताऊं, वो ड्रेस पे जो ग्रीन वाला मैसेज है ना, that's mine. सच्ची, it's mine. Disney के logo. If you are looking to cast for an Indian princess, you know whom to sign. A strapless pink brocade ball gown designed by Isabel Sanchez for the Filmfare Awards makes her the perfect contender for the Cinderella sequel. Wow, इसे कहते हैं fashionista. इंजरी के टाइम पे भी बिल्कुल टिप टॉप, all oofed up to promote her film हमटी शर्मा की दुल्हनिया. Well, I think मूवी से ज्यादा प्रमोशन तो आलिया के शॉर्ट्स को मिले हैं. Because after looking at them, I ended up buying a similar pair. And here's some trivia. Her high top Adidas shoes are only to support her ankle from the injury, but it works nonetheless. At the Life OK Awards, Alia was all funked up in the Falguni and Shane peacock dress. This one is way more than okay. It is gorgeous, though she skipped wearing jewelry and went with sports shoes. See, you always do not need heels to wear, right? Main hai ki confidence hona chahiye. So guys, those were my favorite looks of Alia Bhatt, and I'm totally gonna force you to like, share and subscribe to Fame Fashion. Do like it, and please don't forget to follow me on the Fame app because I'm live every day at 12:30. My handle is called #Akriti Anand, and do follow me and watch my show which is called Akriti's Fashion